Where's my confetti? The service must not be up yet. When something is wrong, it's always DNS, right? Let's see how we can execute a simple but very important task, like adding a DNS record to a domain serving critical traffic, with the ease of completing a runbook. We use Runme, which lets you execute interactive runbooks built with Markdown. Let's see it in action with a Terraform example. We created a resource that adds a subdomain that will get you to the following IP address. Without flipping between terminal and docs, we go to the dns.md and you can make changes right inside the runbook. No tedious copy-paste. Let's first select a workspace to make changes in a Terraform file using this command. We select staging here and we see the following message. Then we use the plan command that will tell us what Terraform will be changing in the infrastructure. As we can see, Terraform will plan to add the following A record to the DNS zone. Let's stash this plan in case we want to look at it later. If the changes are correct, we roll out the plan with the apply command. Let's keep a record of the apply plan in case an issue crops up later. And finally, we can verify that the changes were correctly applied with the script. Yay! And that's it. Thank you for watching. Runme combines you docs with everything great about pipeline and scripting with interactive feedback, designed for DevOps and SREs. Until next time, bye!